Okay, we just thought we were through with the indoor appliances and plumbing, but we still have the microwave oven. It's closer to the range than 24 inches, and it's circulating, and the air filter is just a little bit on the dirty side there. We've got a wet towelette in there. Let me come over here. We do cook time. Push 13, hit start. Watch it spin around. You're not spinning around? Why aren't you spinning around? What do we got here? Timer must. Okay, clear off. Are you hot? Hot, 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 hot. Okay, we're hot. That does not go in the drain. Okay, why aren't you turning around? Popcorn, vegetable, reheat, beverage, potato, time cook, defrost, timer, vent, boost, light. Okay, that's what we want. Vent. That's what we want. Turntable off. Turntable off. Turntable was on. Time cook, 10 seconds. The turntable is not turning.